Frito, frito, pterodactyl. She's a frito. Oh, she's a sausage. Yeah, she's a sausage. Look at the babies in the big old frito pterodactyl puppy. Oh, she's so full of puppies. She's so full of puppies. She's a frito pterodactyl. Oh, there's a mosquito. Frito pterodactyl. She's frito pterodactyl. She's a frito pterodactyl. Oh, wait. She's a fractal pterodactyl. She's a fractal pterodactyl. And she's full of puppies. Oh my goodness. Oh, you're so full of puppies. Oh my goodness. I thought we had longer. But you are about to explode in puppies. Oh, this is a puppy pile right here. Look at this puppy pile. Oh, puppies. 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 Oh, Frito. Oh, Frito pterodactyl. Oh, Frito. Oh, she's such a sausage. Oh, she's such a sausage. Dang, your ribs are so spread open, dude. Wow. Crazy. You're crazy, dude. You're crazy, crazy mammal. Holy God. Holy God, what the hell? You are so capable of stuff. I can't do what you do. Whoa. 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 Whoa, look at this it's a big old puppy pile. Puppy pile. Fractal pterodactyl. Fractal pterodactyl. She's a big puppy pile. Fractal pterodactyl. She's a fractal puppy pile. Laser. He's got a crush on his mom and you don't want to know what he tried to do. Anyway, yeah, how are we going to keep Squirrel and Laser apart too? That's going to be the trick. Whoa, we're going to have diapers on the doggies, yeah, diapers on the dogs, diapers on the doggies. Anyway. Look at the bloatation. Look at the bloatation. Look at the bloatation of the doggy. Of the dog. Yes, indeed. Alright, Fractal. No more puppies after this. No more puppies. 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 We've got to get this bitch fixed. Oh my God. There was no time between the last of the... They said that the nurse at the place, there's, that she's not supposed to nurse for 2 weeks before she gets the tubes tied kind of thing. And yeah, well, she was nursing right and then just went straight into heat, dude. She's a fractal pterodactyl puppy factory, you know? I don't know what to do about this dog. She just likes to fuck. She just likes to fuck. Oh, look at this mammal. She's a fucker. She's a goddamn fucker. She's just so fucky. Look at this fucky bitch. She's just so fucky. Oh, fuckery, foo. Look at this doggy. What did you do? Oh, my God. So, she's already had, what? 13 children. This dog. She's a, what did they call her at the Inhumane Society? They call her a puppy farm. Are you a puppy farm, Fractal? Yeah. Because we sold our puppies. Because we tried to rehome them for a fee to cover their shots, etc. So, yeah, you know. There are Basenji crosses, and they are masterpiece combination dogs, and I'm sorry if I think they're awesome as hell, and might as well exist in the universe in the future, here forward. Hello. So the Inhumane Society was saying that, yeah, we went like 2-3 weeks ago, dude. Look at this. The Humane Society was like, we will not give you free dog food unless you kill the puppies, murder the babies. That's straight up what they said. They said, we are not humane at all at the Humane Society. We actually just love to murder babies. And Fractal was home even. I didn't even have her with me. And they wanted to neuter and spade Squirrel and Laser and dude. Yeah. I was just like, wow, so humane, and I left. That's all I said. I wanted to say more, but I was like, you know what? I might want to actually be able to come here and get free dog food again. One day. I don't want to tell myself off here like I always do, right? But, hello! What kind of genocidal maniacs? Oh, anyway. I will not see what's going on. I refuse. I will not. That's right. Row. You tell him, Fractal. Yeah, orbs. Come on, who wants this canvas? Come on, dude. I will ship it to you. Who wants it?